Hello everyone, I'm Jeff from COMAX. What are the cold peel and the hot peel of DTF film? When you first know DTF film, you may be curious about cold peel and hot peel. Let me explain with you. Cold peel is when you peel off the DTF film when the temperature goes back to normal after you finish the heat transfer. Hot peel is peeling off the DTF film as soon as you finish the heat transfer. The temperature is still high. Our DTF film is both cold peel and hot peel. You don't need to prepare a DTF film split cold and hot peel according to the actual application. Please get in touch with us if you have any questions. Thanks for your watching.